Dr. Evan Chait, Kinetic Rehab and Spine. Welcome to our channel. Click the link below to subscribe, share, and like our videos. Join today, join the movement, gain access to insiders' education on how you become a better you. Welcome to your destination of health and wellness. All the best. Simply Avante. Always forward. So now what I want to share with you is how to use the Hypervolt. This is a great tool to use at home, and we use this a lot in our clinics. So there's different types of attachments. I like to use the flat attachment because I could go over clothes with it. But we're going to start with the foot first. Okay, so we're going to turn it on. There's an on switch at the bottom, and I'm going to hit that button in the back. It's on. Now from here, if you have plantar fasciitis, I want you to come right into the arch. Now, see how my foot is shaking? This is percussive, so it's going to flush out metabolic waste. Now, what I want to add is actually a little bit of toe movement. You see how it flattens out a little bit? Little bit of toe movement. So for those of you that have plantar fasciitis, this is a great tool for us to use. And I'm going to add my other toes as well, and I'm going to move it a little bit wider. So we're doing an active assisted soft tissue mobilization technique using the Hypervolt. Oh yeah, I'm going onto the bone. That's why it's bouncing like that. So I'm just going to come off it a little bit. Good. And now from here, I'm going to assist. So I'm going to bring my toes up myself and then assist my fingers. Perfect. Good. If you like this content, feel free to like and subscribe so you can learn more about the techniques and strategies we use at Kinetic Rehab and Spine.